Cyril Ramaphosa, who is the president of South Africa, has explained to the public how he found himself outside the yard of Morgan Maumela. My name is Alokwan Reacts, and these are the news that matter to you. Now, Cyril Ramaphosa says on that day he was taking his morning walks up until Thabo Touch saw the president and stopped the car to greet the president. And also Thabo Touch was with an American pastor who he wanted the president to meet. And the president says, Uguti, that's where the videos and the pictures were captured, and that was it. The president also explains, Uguti, that house he usually passes whenever he's taking his morning walks, or whenever he exits where he stays, maybe for a meeting or breakfast or whatever the case is, and he still passes the house when he returns back home. The president further explains, Uguti, where he stays, there are about 3 to 4 exits and 3 to 4 entrances. So indlela ophuma ngayo indlela futhi ozophinda ungene ngayo. So he would pass indlu yaka Morgan Maumela when he leaves, and sometimes he would pass indlu yaka Morgan Maumela when he comes back. The president also said ukuthi the house was so beautiful that whenever they passed the house, he would always ask ukuthi, whose house is that? That's how beautiful the house is. So the president is basically saying that you can buy a house just down the road where he stays, and there's no one who will investigate ukuthi who you are, where you come from, what brings you here, and why are you buying property next to where the president stays. The president is saying ukuthi this is a free country, that even if you buy property next to the president, no one will bother to investigate who you are, no one will bother to investigate what brings you there, and no one will bother to investigate what threat do you pose to the president. You will just continue your life and he'll continue with his life. Now, Morgan Maumela is related to Cyril Ramaphosa's ex-wife by the name of Hope. And Cyril Ramaphosa and Hope, they have a child together, meaning Morgan Maumela is an uncle to umntwana waka Cyril Ramaphosa no Hope. And Babu Cyril Ramaphosa wants South African people to believe that even his own son did not give him a call and say, Timer, you see that beautiful house? Yeah, that one down the road? Yeah, that house, it belongs to my uncle. According to the president, not even that call happened. Now, I just want to know from you, if, let's say, the president has a relationship with Morgan Maumela, why would the president hide the fact that he knows Morgan Maumela, according to you? And yes, guys, please do support and buy a Conscious Pet. Now, this is a 2-in-1 dog shampoo. Now, this shampoo will leave your dog's skin very shiny, tangle-free, and it's good for dogs that also have sensitive skin. Please do support this business. These are the contact details. You can send him a WhatsApp, place your order, and he will deliver at your doorstep. This is the #1 dog shampoo that you need, because of a healthy dog is a beautiful dog. And also, if you want to support the channel, please do click on subscribe, and also just join the family by following, liking, and sharing the videos.